Next method, LU decomposition. So L means it is lower matrix, U means upper matrix. So this method is also known as method of triangularization, or they call it as method of factorization. So it is based on the fact that every square matrix A can be expressed in the form of LU, where L is lower triangular matrix, and U is a upper triangular matrix. So here, so I'll go first start with problems. Okay, so solve the following system of equations by LU decomposition method. So here x plus y minus z equals 1. Here 3x plus y plus z equals 1, and here 4x plus 3y plus 2z equals minus 1. Now solution. So first we have to consider here ax equals b. So I got this one as equation 1. So where a equals, what do you get here? 1 1 minus 1, here 3 1 1, and here 4 3 2, and here what do you get? X here, X matrix is X Y Z, here unknowns X Y Z, and here what do you get? B matrix is B1 is 1, B2 is 1, B3 is minus 1. Okay, so now I'll consider, let A equals LU. I got this one as equation 2. So what is A matrix? It is 1 1 minus 1. L is the coefficient matrix, that one. 3 1 1 4 3 2. And what is L matrix? L matrix means here L matrix means upper triangular 0 here lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ L2 1 we don't know here values, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 1 3 2 0 0 1. now I'll write upper triangular matrix. so U11 U12 U13 0 0 here 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ, U22 U23 and U33. ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, 1 1ನ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ L11 L22 L33 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 1 minus 1 3 1 1 4 3 2, right? so if you cross multiply ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ U11 and here U12 and here you will get U13. okay, second row ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ U11 L21 here ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಈ ರೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ L21 U11, ಸೊ 0 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 0 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, you will get this one. and here U12 L21 plus U22 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and here for U13 L21 plus U23 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂರನೇ ರೋ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ U11 L31 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. here you get U12 L31 plus U22 L32, and here U13 L31 plus U23 L32 plus U33. here ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ these values. you have to find out lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. so you have to compare with this one. so U11 equals what you get 1 banta. so illi what you get U12 equals, if you compare you will get 1, and here look at here U13 equals -1 ಆಯಿತಾ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ U11 L21 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 3 ಬಂತು, U11 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು 1, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ L21 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ U12 L21 ಪ್ಲಸ್ U22. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, U22 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೇನು U12 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು 1, L21 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3. ಸೊ 3 plus U22 equals 1. so U22 equals how much you get -2. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಇದು U13 L21 plus U23 equals what you get here 1. if you compare, so you will get 1. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, U23 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ U13 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು -1 ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ L21 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, L21 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 3. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೌ plus U23 equals 1. so what you get U23 value is 4. you'll get 4. now here what you get U11 L31 equals what you get 4. so ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, L31 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ L31 equals what is U11 value, it is 1. so L31 value is 4 you will get. okay, so now here what you get u12 L31 plus u22 into L32 equals, what do you get here? It is 3. So ಏನಾಯಿತು u11 into L31 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು 4. ಸೊ 4 ಇಂಟು u12 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, ಇದು 4 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ u22 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು, u22 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ -2. ಸೊ 4 plus -2 into L32 equals 3. So now what do you get here? L32 value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Here L32 value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So L32 will get 1/2. Now what do you get here? u13 L31 plus u23 L32 plus u33 equals ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? It is 2. Okay. So what do you get now? Here what is L31 value? L31 value is here, what do you get? -1, and here u13 value is -1. L31 value is 4 plus u23 value is, it is 4. What is L32 values? It is 1/2 plus u33 equals 2. So what do you get here? -4 plus 2 plus u33 equals 2. So u33 equals, you will get 4. So substitute in the above matrix. So what do you get here? If you substitute in the above matrix, so if you substitute the above matrix, what do you get? Now we get, what do you get? L matrix. L equals here 1 0 0, here 1 0 0. What is L21? L21 value is it is 3, here 1 0, and here L31 value is 4. L31 value is 4, and here L32 value is 1/2. So it is, and here 1 A matrix. So what is U matrix? You will get here u11 ಅಂದರೆ 1, u12 ಅಂದರೆ 1, u13 is -1, and here u21 value is, here u21 value is 0 here. So and here u22 value is -2, and here u23 value is 4. Okay, and here u23 value is 4 ಇದೆ. Okay, and here what do you get? Next is 0 0 0 0, u33 value is 4. So this is your lower L matrix, and this is your U matrix. Okay, now next you have to find out XYZ. So before that we have some substitution. So using 2 and 1 here becomes, using 2 in 1 becomes, what do you get here? Here what you have, 2 andreno, 2 andre A equals LU, and here equation 1 AX equals B. So equation 2 now 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ LU ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what do you get here? LUX equals B. LUX equals B. It is like lux. Okay, I got this one as equation 3. Now I will take substitution method. So UX equals capital Y, where capital Y equals, you will get y1 y2 y3, y1 y2 y3. So equation 3 becomes, now equation 3 becomes, what do you get? Ux equals y anta aitho. So Ly equals B. So we know the L matrix. So what is L matrix? Here L matrix L is 1 0 0 3 1 0 4 1 by 2 1. And here what is Y matrix? Y matrix is y1 y2 y3. Now what is B matrix? B matrix means here what do you get? 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. So now here if you cross multiply this one, so what do you get here? Here y1. Okay, next here what do you get? If you cross multiply, what do you get here? 3y1 plus y2, and here it becomes 0, and here next row what do you get? 4y1 plus 1 by 2 y2 plus y3 equals, what do you get here? 1 1 minus 1. Now here you have to find out y1 y2 y3. So y1 equals, what do you get? 1 3 y1 plus y2 equals 1. So y1 is 1 means what do you get? y2 y2 is minus 2 will get. Now here what do you get here? 4 times of y1 plus 1 by 2 y2 plus y3 equals minus 1. So y1 under 1 now 4 plus 1 by 2 into minus 2 plus y3 equals minus 1. So what do you get? y3 1 here 3, so you'll get minus 4. So now we get y values here. So what do you get? Y, it is 1 minus 2 minus 4. Okay, now here, so U matrix, so I'll consider here U matrix. Here I'll call it this one as, here I'll call it this one as equation 4. So what is U matrix? U matrix is here, this matrix here to write U matrix. Okay, so U matrix is, what do you get? 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 4, and here 0 0 4 into what is here? X matrix. X matrix is x y z equals, what do you get here? Y values. Y values is you taken 1 minus 2 minus 4, we get that one. So now cross multiply, matrix multiplication. So what you get here? If you matrix multiplication, x plus y plus minus z equals 1 minus 2y plus 4z equals minus 2, and here z 4z equals minus 4. So z equals minus 1 you will get, and here y equals, you will get minus 1, and here if you substitute those one, x equals plus 1. So this is the required solutions. So second problem, here solve the system 2x plus 3y plus z equals 9, and here x plus 2y plus 3z equals 6, 3x plus y plus 2z equals 8. Okay, 8 here. So now using LU decomposition. So solution. First you have to consider ax equals b. Ax equals c, I call it as this one as equation 1. So where A matrix equals, what do you get? A matrix is here 2 3 1 1 2 3 3 1 2, and here x matrix is, what do you get? Here x, here xyz is there, so xyz. Suppose xyz ಬದಲು x1 x2 x3 ಅಂತಾರು ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay, so what do you get here? B matrix, B equals 9 6 8. Okay, now let A equals LU, so called as this one as equation 2. So L means it is a lower triangular matrix and U means it is an upper triangular matrix. So now you have to consider now. So what is A matrix? A matrix is 2 3 1 1 2 3 3 1 2. So L matrix is here 1 0 0, L21 1 0, L31 L32 1, and U matrix is U11 U12 U13 0, U22 U23 0 0 U33. So if you cross matrix multiplication, if you did matrix multiplication, we get here common thing for all the problems idandu U11, here U12, you get U13. So here you will get U11 L21, and here you will get U12 L21 plus U22, and here you will get U13 L21 plus U23. So here U11 L31, and here next one here U12 L31 plus U22 L32, and here in last row we get U13 L31 plus U23 L32 plus U33. Now we have to find out here these values. So we have to compare these two. So what do you get here? U11 equals 2, here U12 equals 3, and here U13 equals 1, and here U11 into L21 equals 1. So what is u11 is 2, so 2 into L21 equals 1, so L21 equals 1 by 2. Now here what do you get? u12 L21 plus u22 equals 2. So here u12 value is 3, L21 value is 1 by 2, plus u22 you have to find out u22 value, so equals 2. So u22 equals we get change the here minus 3 by 2. So if you take it LCM, you'll get 1 by 2 answer. Okay, and here next here what do you get? u13 L21 plus u23 equals, here what do you get? It is 3. So u13 is 1, L21 is 1 by 2 plus u23 equals 3. So u23 equals we get 5 by 2. You get 5 by 2. Now here what do you get? u11 L31 equals 3. So L31 equals u11 is 2, so you will get 3 by 2. Here u11 value is 2, so you will get L31 is 3 by 2. So next one is u12 L31 plus u22 L32 equals, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಬಂತು. So what do you get here now? u12 value is 3 and L31 value is, you have to find out L31 is 3 by 2 plus u22. So u22 value is 1 by 2. You have to find out L32 value equals 1. So what do you get? L32 value is you will get minus 7. Now what do you get here? u13 into L31 plus u22 into L32 plus u33 equals 2. So u13 is 1, L31 value is 3 by 2 plus u22 value is 1 by 2, and here L32 value is minus 7 plus u33. Here u33 value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, so equals 2. So what do you get? u33 value is, you get 18. Substitute for the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So we get L equals L matrix. So what do you get? L matrix. So it is 1 0 0, and here L21 value is 1 by 2, and here 1, and here it is 0. L31 value is 3 by 2. L32 value is minus 7 1. U matrix. So U matrix means what you get? Here u11 is 2 and u12 value is 3. So u13 value is 1, and here 0 0 0. So u22 value is, you get 1 by 2, and here u23 value is 5 by 2, and u33 value is 18. So you got L matrix and U matrix. Now what do you get here? So now using 2 in 1 becomes here. What do you get here? Substitute in here. Substitute in equation 1, this one, A is equal to LU. So if you substitute in equation 1, what do you get? You will get lux, LU x equals B, lux. So I will call this one as equation 3. Now I will go for substitution method. Take U x equals y, ux equals y, where y equals y1, y2, y3. Okay, so here now equation, here I called this one as equation 4. Now equation 3 becomes here ux equals what I taken, it is y, so ly equals b. So you know that L matrix, what is 1 0 0, 1 by 2 1 0, 3 by 2 minus 7 1, and here y matrix is y1, y2, y3. So what is B matrix? B matrix is, you get here B matrix they given 9 6 8. So 9 6 8 from the data. Okay, so what do you get? y1 equals 9 you will get, and here 1 by 2 into y1 plus y2 equals 6, and here what do you get? 3 by 2 y1 minus 7 y2 plus y3 equals 8. So y1 equals 9 means what do you get here? 1 by 2 into y1 value is 9 plus y2 equals 6. So y2 equals, it is 3 by 2. You will get 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2 into 9 minus 7 times of y2. y2 value is 3 by 2 plus y3 equals 8. Okay, so now what do you get here? y3 equals, you will get 5. Now where capital Y equals y matrix, what do you get here? 9, 3 by 2, 5. Now equation 4, here this equation, so you have to find out xyz value. So here equation 4, what do you get here? From equation 4 we have ux equals y. So what is U matrix? It is 2 3 1 0 1 by 2 5 by 2 0 0 18. So what do you get here? X here, x y z equals, what do you get here? 9 3 by 2 5. So here what do you get? 2x plus 3y plus z equals 9. And another equation what do you get? 0x ಬರ್ತದೆ. So 1 by 2 y plus 5 by 2 z equals 3 by 2. So here 0 0, so 18, z equals 5. So z equals 5 by 18. So you will get one equation. So 1 by 2 y plus 5 by 2 5 by 18, so equals 3 by 2. So you will get y equals 29 by 18. Okay, so here what 2x plus 3 times of y is 29 by 18 plus z is 5 by 18 equals 9. So x equals 35 by 18 you will get.